Welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. We are still in Ghana, and today we are making a very special, delicious, authentic soup. That is palm nut soup or Banga soup in Nigeria. Come with me and let's make this delicious, healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, if not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Our ingredients will be needing our palm cream. So this is the palm nuts, fruits. Our snail, look, fresh snail with the juices on it. Gardeners, because we are going to accompany our soup with fufu, so we need some gardeners to go with some onion, shallots, fresh tomatoes, okra to make our fufu easy to swallow, fresh pepper, ginger. We have some dry herrings, that is amane. We have our catfish, ajay. We have some smoked salmon. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. And we got some cassava from the garden, so later we're going to make our fufu. So I'll start by adding my herrings to the soup. I'll add my onion, fresh tomatoes, and pepper. I'll add my snail together with the juices to cook. Additional water. You should really watch me doing this process. I think I also have a video on how we cook and clean the snail with cooking with the queen mother. So you can also check that abundant video out. I'll add the salt. It's very important to add the salt at this point because it makes your snail very crispy. Some of us really want our snail to be a little bit crispy or crunchy. We'll cover it up and bring it to boil. Go ahead and add my pepper to the snail. We need some chopped onions for our soup. You all know that Ghana soup, authentic Ghanaian soup needs a lot of chopped onions, and I've also chopped some shallots. So shallots in your soup is a must, guys. It brings a lot of flavor to your soup. Yeah, my daughter is doing the filming and she's asking why the shallots in Ghana are so small, and I'm saying that I'm telling her that the shallots here don't have any chemicals in them. That's why they are so small. Because the shallots in Europe are quite big. The ones we buy in Amsterdam are quite big. They are about 5 or 6 times of this soup. Since we added the salt to it, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to bring out a bit of taste with the base to start. So I'll go and prepare my fufu. Our peppers are cooked. Our snail is also cooked. So I'll go ahead and put on the fire. And add water to it. And remove the snail in fresh water. Look, when you come to Ghana, automatic, you really need to enjoy some because it's not easy getting them to buy in Europe. To buy hadia, very maybe now what. This is the juices from the snail, so we are going to strain it because we don't need all this white in our soup, so we have to strain it out. So the flavors here, guys, is awesome. We'll set it aside. Go ahead and remove our tomatoes and fruits. We'll go ahead and remove our tomatoes for blending. Tomatoes, now go ahead and add pepper. For more flavor, I'll add the fresh onions and some ginger. It's very important. And I'll add some of the juices from the snail. If you really want to know the full video on how to clean your snail, watch the video Cooking with the Queen, the full video with Abunabu, and you will know what I'm talking about. We'll go ahead and add our blended veggies, onions and everything to the soup, and I'll add the rest of the juice from the snail also to the soup. I'll go ahead and add my cut fish, that is the gin, and smoked mackerel. Divide it into two, and I'll add it to the soup. I'll just go ahead and cover it up. So guys, this is the secret ingredient, that is prekese. So a banga without prekese is not prekese. This is the secret ingredient, guys. I forgot to mention it when I was saying the ingredient. When I was mentioning the ingredients. So we are going to add our prekese to our soup. It's really, really important. Prekese in your banga is a must. Now go ahead and cover it up again. But I'll first taste for salt. Yes. It's really perfect. So I'll go ahead and just add a teaspoon of salt. Salt is always to your taste, guys. And then we'll cover it up again. Let's go ahead and wash our snail. As you know, snails are always coming from the bed. Sometimes they can even go under the earth. So they are really dirty. So after cooking and then straining the water out, this is the time that you really need to wash your snail. So I'll go ahead, water in the bowl like this. Really neat, and sometimes some of the shells can be left when they are removing them from it. So, and then it will not be nice when you bite on the shells from the snail. It's not really nice. We'll go ahead and divide our gardeners into two and add it to the soup. You can also use aubergine if you have. Like gardeners, my grandmother used to use the white aubergine. That was also nice. If you don't have aubergine, we'll also go ahead and add our okra. Just quite really. Yes, and kids will cry. Our snail will come later because we've already parboiled it and we don't want our snail to overcook. Guys, so we are going to... Guys, we'll go ahead and add our snail. Abusia formation. And what pepper do you? Just add your snail. So, original, authentic, Ghanaian, abemkwan. Nigerians also call it Banga soup. Guys, our soup is doing really great. Our fufu is almost getting ready also. So we just lower our heat now that we've added our snail garlic. Guys, look. And yeah, look. And we just lower our heat and then cover it halfway. Guys, our palm nut soup, authentic palm nut soup is ready. There's a lot of palm oil on it. So this is what we call the enkwan. I'll go ahead and remove all this and kwamo. I just yeah, the annoy who ye wa pesi bia. I wish you could soup. Guys, our palm nut soup or banga soup is ready. Let's dig in and serve. So they see every quite good soil. Now it's your salmon coin be a cautious say, come on. Guys, check out our snail. It's ready. Guys, just look, just quite papa. I like my prekese on top of my fufu, so I'll go ahead and add one prekese here. Our fufu is ready. Guys, our palm nut soup or banga soup is ready with fufu, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious meal. But if you're not to this channel and you have not subscribed, guys, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. By the way, you are invited. Bye bye from Ghana. Do adios, kiss kiss.